morning and welcome to Grace Assembly of God Church. We are so glad that you could join us today. We have a lot of activities planned out for the month of December, so you may want to take your calendar out and start marking down the dates. Today, right after the service, the ladies are selling some wonderful homemade pickle. And as far as I've heard, pre-bookings have already started. So you may want to rush after church and buy a jar of your favorite pickle and support the ladies' ministry. Also today, the Daddy's Day at Home is happening right after the service. Dads, I hope you're ready to take care of your kids. Starting tomorrow, our carol rounds begin. If you want to know the date and time of when the carolers are going to come to your house, you can check the notice board outside. On Friday, December 18th, we have our annual Christmas dinner. For more details and if you need some coupons, you can contact the men's ministry. On December 19th, that is the Saturday, the Pit Stop Youth is having their Christmas party. Young people, you don't want to miss this. If you need any more information or details, you can come talk to me after the service or any of the youth leaders. And Sunday school kids, we're not going to forget you. Next Sunday, you have your annual Christmas party. Don't forget to bring your coupons. December 24th at 6:30 p.m. we have a special Christmas Eve service that is hosted by the Pit Stop Youth. This is just going to be an hour service filled with carols and sharing the Christmas cheer and the reason for this season. This invitation is open for all. You can bring in your family, your friends and colleagues just to celebrate Christmas season with them. On December 25th, our first service starts at 8 a.m. That is the English service. The Hindi service is at 9:30 a.m. and 11 a.m. Starting from 2 p.m. all the way up till 8 p.m. we have hourly services that are hosted by various ministries of the church. You don't want to miss this day. On December 27th, we have our annual Thanksgiving Sunday. This Sunday, we just give thanks to God on the various things that He has done in our life in the year 2015. If you have a testimony, this is a great Sunday to share about it. We have a band coming in from Mumbai. They are called the Joshua Generation. You can listen to their music and listen to their messages on YouTube if you've never heard of them. They will also be with us on December 29th and 30th. That is the day of our annual fasting and prayer, which starts at 10 a.m. all the way up till 4 p.m. And on both the days at 6:30 p.m. we have breakthrough services. So you don't want to miss this. This is going to be a wonderful time just soaking in God's presence and listening to Him and asking Him for direction for the next year. And on December 31st at 10 p.m. we have our watch night service. We're going to be celebrating and entering into the new year in God's house and in God's presence. You don't want to miss this day. As you can see, we have a lot of things happening in the month of December and we need a lot of volunteers to help out with the various ministries. If you would like to volunteer your time, you can contact one of the pastors. Any help is greatly appreciated. Also, just to remind you about the Christmas outreaches that we're doing this month, you can either drop in an offering or if you'd like to donate new or any used items that are in usable conditions, you can drop them in the box that is outside in the main foyer. And also just to remind you, all our weekly ministries are suspended during this Christmas season. But if you have any emergencies, you can call the church office or one of the pastors. That's all for today. I hope you all have a wonderful week ahead.